materials for the school uniform shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter.
Okay, wait, 1 minute. Cost of shirt, okay? Cost of shirt per meter is rupees 50 at the first line. Second line.
And trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter.
So trouser for per meter is 90 rupees, okay? Correct.
For every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material.
Okay, so trouser is to shirt, they have some ratio. Okay, 2x is to 3x. Correct, no? Trouser is 2, am I right? Shirt is 3.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then
Shirt material, he buys 2 meter, he sells the material has 12% and 10% profit respectively.
now listen carefully. Why I put 2x? It is a cost. When you calculate the cost, per meter how much and then so much meter you should calculate. So per meter is 90 rupees. So I should multiply 2x into 90. Total cost of trouser. Total cost of trouser will be 2x into 90 I should do. That will give me 180x. Okay. And the total cost of shirt will be 3x into 50. So that will give me 150x. Now come to the profit. So the selling price you should go. You can use a formula or you can without formula also I'll teach you wait. Formula will be 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price. You don't like this formula means don't worry. Okay, I'll teach you without the formula also I'll teach you one more method which is easy. You can follow. Okay, see here what happened 100 this is for shirt. First we will do for shirt. This is for shirt, okay? For 100 plus and 12% divided by 100. So, into 150x will come. Because shirt is 150. So, 112 by 100 into 150, which will be 0 cancel. So, 168x will come. I'll teach you some other method in this. See, for example, children, suppose 100 rupees you are buying some shirt, okay? 100 rupees you are getting 100 rupees is a cost price. You buy for 100 rupees and you are selling for 112. 12% profit means what? Selling price is 112. Now, what will come when it is 150? Suppose your cost price is 150. Here I told you this is cost price, right? Cost 100 for 100 cost price is 112 is selling price. If 150 is a cost price, what will be the selling price? What you will do? You will multiply this and divide. You remember 2 chocolates, 2 chocolate and 3 chocolates like that. So that is only I am doing here. This is easiest if you want to write this easiest method you can write. Okay, if the cost price is 100, the selling price is 112. If cost price is 150, the selling price will be how much? Multiply these two and divide 100. Okay, are you listening? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. We are listening, ma'am.
Yes. Now you understood any method you can follow. This is a formula method which I put it on the board. You can use the second alternate method also. This is for shirt. Same way you can be for trouser. How will I write trouser? Trouser also same method. Or selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Okay, so they are telling for trouser it is 10% profit. So 100 plus 110 into 100 into 180x. So 110 divided by 100 into 180 will come. Okay. So this answer is 0 cancel and 198x. I'll tell you the other method. See, what is the other method? Cost price is 100. Cost price is 100 means selling price how much? Tell me. For trouser, cost price is 100 means selling price. Profit is 10. What do you mean by selling price? Cost price is 100 means selling price is 110. Profit, no loss. Profit means 110. So cost price is 100 means selling price is 110. Therefore, for 180x. You don't want this method means no problem. Follow this method. Okay, multiply this 110 into 180 divided by 100. you follow this method. Okay, whichever method you want, you can follow. This is a formula method. Okay, after finding that, we have found the selling price of trousers separately, selling price of shirt separately. So 168x plus 188x I should add. I will be getting 36600. Okay, 366x is equal to 36600. So what is x? What is x? What should I do?
36600 divided by 366.
Very good. I must divide. Who's this? Tanmaya? 100
Girindra.
meters.
Girindra.
So after finding 100 meters. Okay, after finding 100 meters, now come to trousers. So total, according to the question, trouser is 2x. Trouser is 2x. So trouser will be 2 into x multiply 2 into 100, 200 meters. Okay, shirt. Shirt will be 3 into x. 3 into x means 3 into 100, 300. That's all. This is sum is little bit tough. It's okay. You can practice 2 to 3 times, understand the profit and profit percentage. You will able to do it. Okay. 300 meters, sorry, correct. Some of them are not putting in conclusion in your classwork and say, and I am only not putting. Okay, good. You reminded me. You are listening. I am happy that you are listening, concentrating, alert. If you find fault, means you are perfect, right? When you are no mathematics only, you can see where is the mistake. Okay? Suppose anywhere your friends are doing mistakes in homework, you must check. Now, eighth sum, Tanmay read already, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Half of a head
Herd.
of
Herd.
deer
What do you mean by herd of deer? Group of deers are called herd of deer. Okay. Half of the deer is. Okay, let us consider the total is x. Let us consider the total herd of x. The deer will be x. Okay. Consider. Then
are grazing in the field.
half of the deer will be grazing. Grazing means what, children? Eating. Okay. Then
In the field, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby.
3/4 of the half of x you should do, children. 3/4 of the half. Okay. What are they doing? They are playing. So some are playing, some are eating food. So 1/2 plus 3/4 into 1/2. So 1/2 x plus this is 3/8x. Okay, this is 3/8x. So I will do calculation 8. 8 means LCM is 8 means I should multiply 4 here, right? 4x plus 3x. What is 4x plus 3x? 7x by 8. So this much out of 8 7x is playing and grazing. So what is the question? What is the question, Ritika?
The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond.
The rest 9 are drinking water. So the rest are 9. So 7/8 are playing and grazing. The rest. Rest means remaining. Who are the rest? Who are the rest? Who will tell? 7/8 of the x is playing and grazing. Rest means how much fraction I should put. Can anybody? Manoj, Giri, Alden, Parnita.
1/9.
1/9. No? Wrong? Parnita?
1/4.
X is
1 by
equal to 9/1.
Alden? 9/1. No. Wrong answer. See, listen carefully. The total herd of No, wrong answer. Now wait.
1/2.
The total logic, please, important. Listen, if you use the logic, it's very easy. Total herd of a deer is x. Okay. In that, half of the deer is grazing and 3/4 of the half is playing. We have calculated both. 7/8 of x will be doing some work. Rest are 9. So, what is the rest fraction I am asking? Which is equal to 9?
2/8.
No, which fraction is equal to 9? 9. You see the answer and tell that. It's not you. Think about it and tell.
3.
1/8. Who said that first? One girl has said. Very good. Very good. Me means?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am.
Sai. Okay, good, Sai. Sai, you have to clap. Sai. Okay, good. Very good. Father is helping now. My God.
No, ma'am.
One thing.
Sometime, ma'am.
Then they are saying like this, your friends, Seema. Okay, good, Sai. Very good. Very good. Now, 1/8, 7/8 are playing with 1/8. Remaining is 1/8, no? So, 1/8 of x is 9. Now is easy for finding x. X is the 8 into 9. Cross multiply. You get what you get is 72. Now your answer is 72. Simply you will say 72. How you got 72, you should know, no? Okay, so the total herd of days are 72 days. In that, half are playing. Half means 36 are playing. Okay, half are playing. And 3/4 of the half. 3/4 of the half is 36 and 9 4s are 27. 27 are playing. And 9 are taking rest. So total how much you coming, you see? 72 is coming, see. Checking. You can check it. From the question, we can check whether our answer is correct. That is the beauty of algebra. Okay. Now your homework is you do these two sums again and again 2-3 times. You try exercise 2.4. You should do every sum. Practice at home. Practice nicely. Okay. Learn fully. Next maths period you have test self-evaluation test. Exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Till there you have test self-evaluation test. Not Google test. You need to write the test and send it to me. I will, after your correction, self-evaluation correction, I'll check whether you corrected correctly or not. Okay? Only three sums I will keep. 3 to 4 sums. Okay? Please study. Read properly. All the best for the test, children. Let's go. Let's go to the class. Homework is learning for the test. Exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3,
Okay,
2.4.
ma'am.
That's all.
Okay, ma'am. I have recorded in camera, ma'am.
Listen, Darpesh will send it to me first. I'll check whether how it has come. Then we can send it to others.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
I
ma'am.
will send it. I will send you first. Send it to me.